Hello everyone, myself, lecturer Miss Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Arms in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to discuss about the topic communicable diseases, that is tuberculosis, from health education and community pharmacy. The topics to be covered in our today's session are as follows: introduction to communicable diseases and tuberculosis. A communicable disease is a one that is spread from one person to the another through a variety of ways that include the contact with blood and the body fluids, breathing in an airborne virus, or by being bitten by an insect. Communicable diseases are caused by infectious agents that can be transmitted to susceptible individuals from an infected person or from other animals, objects, or other environment. Infectious agents include helminths, protozoa, bacteria, viruses, and fungi. The communicable diseases that are transmitted from one person to the another person or from a reservoir to a susceptible host. For an example, tuberculosis. Tuberculosis, the most important specific communicable disease in the world, mainly in the developing countries. The specific infectious disease primarily affecting the lungs, that is pulmonary tuberculosis, most common. It also affects all other vital organs like intestine, brains, bones, joints, lymph nodes, lymph glands, skin, etc. Incubation period for this from weeks, months to years, depending upon dose of infection and immunity of patient. Then predisposing factors: overcrowded population, malnutrition, poverty, alcoholism, drug addiction, HIV, adenovirus infection, etc. Positive organism, Mycobacterium tuberculosis. Mode of transmission are: tuberculosis is mainly spread by droplet infection produced by sputum of positive patient. Second, coughing, not spread by formids, that is plates and other article. The signs and symptoms for the tuberculosis are tiredness, loss of appetite, loss of weight, anemia, evening rise in temperature, sitting especially during sleep, cough for long time, etc. Investigation for the tuberculosis mainly by sputum examination, second one through the chest X-ray, and third Mantoux test. Prevention and control for these, the control programs are the National Tuberculosis Program, that is NTP, and the District Tuberculosis Program, that is DTP. Raising the resistance of the population to the disease by good social conditions, that is satisfactory housing and adequate diet. BCG means bacilli, calmette, guerin, vaccination after birth. Then prevention and control also includes the reduction of the human infection by detection and isolation of maximum number of cases, that is sputum examination, X-ray examination, mixed test. Then chemoprophylaxis, that is prevention by suitable anti-tubercular agent, that is anti-TB agent. Elimination of tuberculosis infection in milk by the pasteurization of milk. Fourth one is a chemotherapy, that is the first line agents, which is isoniazid is used as a first line agent, and the second line agents, that is ethionamide. Ethionamide is used as a second line agent in treatment of tuberculosis. Then let's see about tuberculosis TB, that is fatigue, malaise, anorexia, weight loss, cough, chronic cough, productive night sweats, hemoptysis, advanced state. Then low grade temperature, late afternoon. Treatment: TB medication 6 to 12 months, bed rest until the symptoms are isolation until negative sputum, frequently output basis. Diagnostic: TB skin test, chest X-ray, bacteriology, sputum studies. The communicable diseases, tuberculosis. The learning outcomes of our today's session are as follows. Introduction to communicable diseases and a brief introduction to tuberculosis. Thank you.